It's time to knock out some sausage boats. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Your Behind BBQ. My name is Kyle. If you've never been here before, I'm the owner of Your Behind BBQ and Your Behind BBQ Birds and Bones. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's recipe, we're gonna knock out from my buddy Brad, Chilies and Smoke. He posted this video and I was like, damn, this is something y'all are gonna enjoy. So Brad, thank you. I'm not hijacking him, I'm giving him his flowers. I'm gonna put the Kyle spin on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these Johnsonville bratwursts. We're gonna make little bratwurst boats wrapped in bacon. All right, so we're gonna make little boats out of these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the top and we're just gonna pierce the casing. Pierce the casing, get that sausage out, and then we're gonna start spreading it open. Start spreading, kind of make a little boat. Push this down a little bit. Let's get that out of the way, make this a little bit easier. Boom, push these down. Boom, that's boat one. Very simple. All right, boat two. I think this would be a cool recipe if you had kids and you wanted to get them involved in cooking. I think this would be a cool recipe to bust out and, you know, kind of teach your kids how to start cooking. Be different and hang out with your food and always play with your food. All right, push this in. Boom, like that, just like that. You're gonna just push that in and make yourself a nice little boat. All right, now that you got your boats looking good, we are going to set these to the side and we are going to start making our filling for these brats. Now, what you can do, I got a bowl here. So I got a brick of room temp cream cheese we're gonna throw in the bowl. I have a half a cup of diced pickled jalapenos with some juice. You gotta have the juice because I think that adds flavor to it. Kind of mix that up, get everything out of there, okay? Then I got 1/3 cup, maybe a little bit more of shredded cheese. Then we are going to use our green chili bacon rub. Sprinkle that in there. A couple tablespoons. I want the flavor, so you can add as much as you want in there. Then we are just going to mix this up. Mix. All right, now we are going to do our filling. Best thing for me, I'm gonna just roll these like this, kind of roll them out. Now I'm just gonna insert them and lightly press, because I don't want to bust the casing out. Boom. On to the next one. Lightly press. All right, after we have our cream cheese mixture inside of our sausage, we are going to get cheap, thin bacon. Why cheap, thin bacon? Leave me a comment down below why I use cheap, thin bacon. I wrap everything in bacon, so why not give these a shot? So start on one end. You're probably gonna use about 2 pieces of bacon per sausage boat, I'm guessing. I wanna cover that entire cream cheese. Let's grab another piece. Start on one end. And we are going to wrap them around. Boom. Just like that. Kind of wrap. Boom, just like that. Number one is done. Sausage boats are wrapped, they're ready to roll. I am going to put them on our handy dandy cooling rack. Leave me a comment down below if you like that angle a little bit better to kind of see a little more what I'm doing. So when you wrap these in bacon, always try to make sure you put the end piece that you finished on towards the bottom. So you got an end piece here with the bacon, kind of wrap that tight to make sure that's on the end, kind of keep your bacon in place. So we're gonna do that. We are going to use now our Arizona Cajun rub. We're gonna give it some little color, little pop, little heat. Season both sides. Boom. All right, these boats, the sausage boats, they're stuffed, they're wrapped, they're ready to roll. Now, I'm guessing it's gonna be about 45 minutes to an hour to get fully cooked. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for the bacon to get fully cooked. Once the bacon's fully cooked, we're gonna pull them off, we'll temp them, of course. All right, let's go fire up the grill. I'm gonna go 300 degrees on the Green Mountain Grill. Let's roll. All right, so our Green Mountain Grill is fired up to 300 degrees. Let's get these baddies on. All right, I'm gonna start a timer for about 30. Now we'll start a timer for 45 minutes and we'll come back and check them out. All right, total time on this bad boy, we're at an hour 30. Hour 30. Whoo, look at the color on these. Bacon looks good, 164. All right, let's pull these bad boys off and get to eating. Oh, look at these. Get a little ooze out of that. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let's cut it open. Let's try it out. Oh, I'm hungry. Dang, I'm excited. All right, so we're gonna cut this open. Let's go right down the center here. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, let's try it. The buoy. So dang good. Unbelievable. Y'all enjoyed this one? Wait till y'all see what I got coming up next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.